Hey guys, today we're going to be testing overclocked versus non-overclocked graphics cards in 3DMark. So we're going to be starting off with the non-overclocked graphics card. As you can see, my GPU is running at 1200 megahertz core clock speed and 7000 megahertz memory clock speed. Alright, let's set everything to maximum right now. And then let's open up 3DMark. There we go. Alright. Time Spy. Custom run. Everything looks fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video right now and then cut to the outcome of the 3DMark test. Alright guys, so this is my computer non-overclocked. As you can see, the score is 10,283, just barely underneath the average score. And then this is my overclock score of 10,980, almost at 11,000 as you can see. If we go to estimated game performance, Battlefield 5, 1440p Ultra, we have 105 plus FPS. GTA 5, 70 plus FPS, which is pretty good at max settings at 1440p. You can see the GPU clock frequency is pretty stable across the board. CPU temperature, it spiked up to around 70 degrees Celsius during the CPU test, but it remained at about 55 degrees Celsius during the GPU tests. GPU memory clock, it stayed stable throughout the rest of the tests. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so here we are in Borderlands 3 with the benchmarking tab. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like overclocked versus non-overclocked. So I'm going to cut the video right now, and then we're going to do non-overclocked, and then we're going to do overclocked, and you will be able to see the performance difference actually in game. Alright, and we're back. This is non-overclocked at 73.52 FPS. And now we're going to pause and show you guys what the difference in FPS is from overclocking. Alright, we're back. This is overclocked. As you can see, my overclocked FPS is nearly 80, up from 73. That's about a 10% increase in performance just from overclocking your computer. So, as you can see, overclocking does indeed work, and this is evidence of it in games. And on average, with your games, you're going to be getting about anywhere from 8 to about 12 FPS more in your games when you overclock your graphics card. I hope this demonstrated that this was the case. So, thanks for tuning in to Thor Hansen and this little overclocking tutorial. And I'll see you guys next time.